Most important question that appears in every student mind when they are pursuing engineering. What are the career options after engineering? Especially in the final year, they get confused about what to do next. Let me discuss about some options after engineering. The engineering graduates, especially in this age, has numerous opportunities to pick from. And many students limit their options and fall short of achieving their goals. Without seeking information about the different job opportunities, they limit themselves to whatever is available and whichever is nearer to them. And especially, the students do not have goal setting. There is no vision, absolutely. They just go to college, sit in the class, study, come back. No vision, no goal. It's like a time pass nowadays. It's really pathetic because the entire age, the entire country is dependent on technology. And these engineering graduates have enormous opportunities, provided they upskill themselves and make use of the opportunities. Before accepting the first job offer, whatever comes in their way, some questions or certain things you have to ask yourself. Do I think I'll be able to advance in this field? Is the domain strong enough to last for another 15, 20 years or even more? Do I have a strong desire to learn new things in this particular field? It's more than intradisciplinary. You have to come out of your discipline and learn from other disciplines also. So it becomes an intradisciplinary need. And in fact, it is also extended to multidisciplinary needs. It's crucial to plan ahead of time so you don't end up with regrets or trying to change careers after a few years. All the effort, all the investment of time and money will go waste if you don't plan well. The world is brimming with a lot of possibilities. To choose the correct professional path after engineering, one must first learn about all the available options. You should know what is available, only then you can decide what you can choose. Let me tell you a few of them. One is IES. You can apply for Indian Engineering Services after obtaining a bachelor's degree. The Indian Engineering Services remains the most demanding career for the engineering graduates in India. I don't know how many of you are aware that it is conducted annually by UPSC. It is really conducted in 3 phases. A preliminary examination having 2 objective type papers, General Studies paper 1 and Technical paper 2, branch-wise, and also popularly known as, you will have in civil, electrical, mechanical, electronics, and telecommunication. And a main examination consisting of 4 papers of conventional type, that is essay type. This will be followed by a personality test, which is an interview. And final year students are eligible to apply for this. How many of you have ever thought about it? The most prestigious job or career. Number 2, civil services. If you are interested in serving the nation, at the grassroots level and want to bring some change in this society, you can go for civil services. We have seen so many people talking with a mic on the dais or in the Facebook posts or in Instagram. They talk about something they need to do for the society, or they blame somebody else who is not performing their duties for the upliftment of the society. If you're the one who is really interested to do so, you need to have that power. Civil service is the option for that. And this is also a fact that every year, 70% of the selected IAS are from engineering background. And this is because of the fact that engineers have better analytical aptitude as compared to the arts and commerce graduates based on the curriculum. Suppose you people have an inbuilt abilities, anybody can apply and clear. And you need to practice, focus, and you need to become a professional in that area. And the third option is GATE. You can take the GATE exam. After qualifying the exam, there are two options for you. Either you can pursue MTech after qualifying the GATE exam. You will be eligible for MTech admission in a recognized Indian institutes like IITs, NITs, IIITs, etc. Or you can join PSUs. The PSUs like GAIL, DRDO, IOCL, NTPC, etc. They recruit on the basis of GATE score. The PSUs are divided into three categories: central public sector enterprises and CPSCs, public sector bank, that is PSBs, and state level public enterprises, that is SLPEs. Now coming to the types of PSUs. Based on different variables such as income, stock exchange, and annual revenue, there are three types of public sector companies. Number one, Maharatna. Number two, Navratna. Number three, Mini Ratna. There are 11 Maharatnas and 13 Navratnas and 73 Mini Ratnas. If you are technically very, very strong and scored a good percentile in GATE exam, you can apply for PSU, and some government departments like Department of Atomic Energy, they conduct their own exams. So you have to keep track of the advertisements. Next opportunity will be government jobs. The job for engineers in government sector are always in demand. Just pass your exams and you will be on your way to achieving your life's happiness icon. Some of the government jobs I can mention here. One is railways. The railways are one of the top employment alternatives. The senior section engineer, junior engineer, and two employment professions, most important professions for BTech graduates. Then you can look for defense services. If you think of serving the country, you may join defense. It's a very proud and pride you can carry with you when you join defense. This includes Indian Air Force, Indian Armed Force, Indian Navy. There are many positions for engineers with very high scale, and it's a very respectable position, and you will feel really great working with the uniform. Then banking jobs. The IT officers in banks are responsible for developing, directing, planning, and coordinating all the security programs in the bank network. And every year there are a number of openings released by bank for IT officers. If you don't get any of them, or if you're not interested in any of them, whatever I have mentioned, you have campus placement. If you think GATE and other government exams are not your cup of tea, then you can always join any private company in your domain area through your campus placement. Remember, the first few years in a private company are always going to be really, really tough. But the one who sails through it becomes successful. There is a high demand for people who can work with IoTs, cybersecurity, machine learning, artificial intelligence, robotics, and automation, 3D computing, virtual reality, augmented reality, UI, UX designs, lots and lots and lots. So if you want to upskill yourself and get the better job you're looking for, you need to master some technical skills. The other option is higher studies in India or abroad. After completing your engineering degree, you can apply for MTech or ME by taking tests such as GATE, GRE, TOEFL, IELTS, TS. This will help you to join in India and abroad. And if you're truly interested in management, you are good in administration, you can also pursue MBA, which is one of the best career options after engineering. For MBA, you have to qualify CAT, GMAT, CMAT exams, which will help you to get admitted in top B schools in India, that is IIMs, and in abroad. If not, you can think of entrepreneurship. Engineers can also start their startups. The recent triumphs of numerous engineer entrepreneurs have motivated the youth. You know, during COVID, lot of people have changed their employment to entrepreneurship. After graduation, you have the option of starting your own business with a new idea. To get started on this, you need to first identify a common issue and build a solution for it. This issue might arise in any industry. Flipkart, for example, they eliminated the burden of purchasing offline, and Paytm addressed the issue of cash scarcity. So these all will address some issue and give a solution, and you should be the one or the first person to do this. Then you will be able to make a lot of money by converting that idea into a business. Entrepreneurship necessitates a great deal of patience, perseverance, daring. You need to be really, really exploring type. You need to understand what is the need. And furthermore, the benefits of becoming a successful entrepreneur is enormous. You will feel proud of your own idea, and you can learn a lot and expand your business. So my dear students, do not worry about careers. There are numerous opportunities, but you need to explore every opportunity and understand if you will suit for that particular career. Then prepare yourself seriously and sincerely, put in a lot of effort and concentrate. Definitely you will reach wherever you need to. But before that, set a goal and have a vision. Stay blessed.